In today's video, I'm going to show you how to move your files here in the Google Sheets app using your Android or iPhone. So whatever I do right here on the Android would be the same if I were to do it with the iPhone. So here in the Google Sheets app open on an Android phone, if you want to move a file, all you have to do would be to first make sure to select the correct file. Once you've selected it, just tap on the ellipsis on the right side. There you go. By the way, we are currently in list view, so if you were on the grid view, your files would look like this, and again, still the ellipsis on the bottom right corner of each file. If you tap on that, it will give you the same options. So if you want to move a file to a different folder, you're going to have to scroll up right here and select Move right here. So here you have the suggested folders where you can move your file. We have the new files and then our sheets. If I tap on sheets right here, I won't be able to move it here because it's already there. If I go back, I can also just move it to the My Drive folder. If you see this blue button where it says move right here, that would mean you can move it to that folder. If I go to new files right here, I can definitely move it to this folder. This folder is empty. If I tap on move, there you have it. It will say one item moved to new files folder. So one more time, if you're going to move a file, just tap on the ellipsis at the right corner, swipe up, select move right here, then select the folder where you want to move that file. If I tap on this one, there you go. I am able to move it right here because the move button at the bottom is highlighted. If I tap on it, it will again say that it has been moved to the new files folder. And that's how easy it is to move your files here in the Google Sheets app using your Android or iPhone. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.